Welcome to the StatTree video module for Spearman Correlation. To test whether there is a relationship between two ordinal variables, the Spearman rank order correlation would be appropriate. You will need two ordinal variables in order to run this test. In looking at the preferred entertainment viewing survey, any two of the response options for the first question regarding favorite type of show would be appropriate for this test. For this demonstration, we will use action and comedy. With the PEVS dataset open in SPSS, you would choose action as the first variable in the pair and comedy as the second variable in the pair. To run the Spearman rank order correlation test for association, go to Analyze in the top menu, select Correlate, and choose Bivariate. When the Bivariate Correlations dialog box appears, select the action variable and while holding the Shift key, select the comedy variable. Both variables should be highlighted. Press the arrow button next to the variables box. Spearman should be selected under Correlation Coefficients. Now press the OK button. SPSS will generate an output in a new window. As with all statistical tests, the first result to look for is a significance figure associated with the test score. If the significance figure meets your preset criterion, you will need to report your test results in your research paper. You will find those significance figures here. In this test, we have met our significance criteria for the relationship between action and comedy movies. Here is your test result. You would report this figure as well as the sample sizes next to n. If the significance figure does not meet the criterion, test results do not need to be reported in your research paper. However, you will need to report that the test failed to find a significant difference or relationship in the data. To see what this output looks like, along with a reporting example, press the Output button on the Sending page from the StatTree module. Additionally, these procedures can be run from an SPSS syntax file. The code for this can be copied from the new browser window when you press the Script button on the Sending page from the StatTree module.